This is Julie from AT Apps, Assistive Technology for Education. This is how we use the app Typo HD, which is a text prediction app. When we go into settings, there are a few settings that we would need to change. Depending on the abilities of the student, we might need to change the setting from I need a little help to I need a lot of help. You can select the language and accent of your choice, and you can select which font you would like and which background paper you would like. Also, something to be aware of is we go into the general settings, scroll down to Typo HD in the left-hand side. This is where we can reset the user predictor if sometimes the iPad has learned incorrect spellings by mistake. The profanity filter, we definitely want that on. We want predict the next word on, and I like to turn predict phrases off, and the vocabulary size you can adjust as necessary. Reading speed needs to be very slow, and a good thing to change is show word predictions above the keyboard, otherwise it gets in the way with what the student is writing. So now we're ready to do some writing, and as soon as I start to type, it will show the word that it thinks I want to use. Now I've just typed one letter, the word that I want is there. Now the temptation for students is to tap it in and it just goes in automatically. There are some students that need that, but the majority do not. So we want them to type what they can. Most of them will know how to spell the, and then if they see the word that they need, then they copy it. For example, with this one, I've just done the letter P. I'm trying to write people, so I'm going to do it phonetically. So I've just done P-E. The word has come there, and I can listen to it if I need to by tapping on the icon.
The people.
So I know that that's the word I need. So I'm going to resist the temptation to tap it in, and I'm going to copy it. People. Now I'm going to do phonetic spelling again. So it hasn't picked up that I want went there. So you can see it isn't perfect. I found the word towards, so again I'm going to copy it in, the towards. Now I'm going to type in ancient in a phonetic way. Ancient. And there's ruins, and I can listen to the word to double check it's what I want.
The ancient ruins.
That's correct. So I'm going to adjust my spelling to correct that. That is the best way for students to use phonetic text prediction in a way that will support their own spelling development. Now we still do have some spelling errors, so we do the spell check, which is this icon, and went. Now I can have a look at those and I see that is not the word I want, so I need to have another go at spelling that word. So that's where I would go in and edit it, and hopefully that will be enough to remind the student of what the spelling should be. And then spell check again for ancient. Again, it's not 100%, so I need to have another go. So then we need to teach children to think about other ways of doing the sound that they've had a go at. So if I try ancient, and there's the word, let me listen to it.
Towards the ancient.
See, it's not reading towards properly, and then I can go in and correct it further. I can activate text-to-speech to have that sentence read to me.
The people went towards the ancient ruins.
And then I can keep going. I can save this note. I can email it on to somebody else. I can print it or copy it into another app quite easily. If you're considering which text prediction app would be most suitable for your child or your students, please take a few minutes to watch the other videos that show the other ones that are available at this time.